Over here, I have my signing page, and what I want to do is to add a new method called void sign in with email. And I'm going to pass one parameter to this method, and this is going to be a build context. And I'm going to explain why we need this in a second. Inside this method, we want to add the code for showing our email sign in page. Okay, so one thing that we need to do is to remember to call this method from inside the callback of the button to sign in with email. So what we want to do here is to replace this callback with a callback that calls into our new method called signing with email. And in here, we need to pass in the context. Now, the compiler complains because context, it says, is undefined. And the reason it is undefined is that at the top of this build content method, we don't have it. So one thing that we need to be aware of is that when we work with stateless widgets, then the build context is always passed to the build method itself. However, if we define our own methods and these require a build context, then we need to remember to pass it along. So the way we're going to fix this is to add a build context parameter to the build content method, and then we can pass this parameter from the build method itself, like this. So with this change, we are passing the build context into our build content method, and this in turn will pass it on to the signing with email method that we have defined over here. So let's continue on the next video.